Okay, so good morning once again, or good day once again, grade 12 students. So this is the continuation of our lesson on pre-calculus, wherein last time, no, I sent to you or assigned to you a task and a video tutorial on circles. No, the topic is circles, wherein we tackled on how to write the standard equation into general form and general form to standard form. So today, we are going to tackle no, a new topic in pre-calculus. So we are done. So we all know that in a connect sections, we have four types of connect sections. So we have the circle, we have the parabola, the ellipse, and the hyperbola. So we are done on circle, and by this time, we're going to discuss on parabola. So ano ba lang ining parabola? So we all know that if we have a cone, no, kung may cone ikaw, and then the cone is cut by the plane, no? Cut by the plane, and the plane is not parallel to the axis and also not perpendicular to the axis, and it cuts only the nap cone, and may na-form kang smooth curve. So, ang tawag sina is parabola. We're going to discuss now the different properties of parabola and the equation of parabola. So, let's get started. So, this is no, the PowerPoint presentation on parabola. So, as you could see, no, here we have a smooth curve. So, ang tawag sinisang curve line yan is a parabola. So, parabola can we seen in real life. May makita kita basta may mga smooth curve kita. So, mga best representation ina sila sang parabola. And here, by the definition, it says that parabola is a collection of all points P in the plane that are the same distance from a fixed point F as they are a fixed line D, or as they are from a fixed line D. The point F is called the focus, so take note of that, of the parabola, and the line D is the directrix. No? As a result, the parabola is the set of points P for which the distance from point FP is equal to the distance from point DP. So, in short, we have here a Cartesian coordinate system. No, we're going to let's say that we have here a focus. So, meaning, by the way, when you say focus, now take note of this. Focus is a fixed point in the parabola. Again, the focus is the fixed point in the parabola, and the directrix here, the directrix is the fixed line in the parabola. So duwa tandaan niyo na siya. So for example, you have here a focus and you have a directrix. This is a fixed line. And take a line segment perpendicular to the directrix and intersect with line segment from the focus of the or of the same length. This will be a point on parabola and will be the same distance from each other. So, kung madraw kita it line dire such that this line is perpendicular, no, maigo ang focus, and then ang line is perpendicular to your directrix, meaning ma-form it 90 degrees. And then the midway here, this midway, ang tawag sinisaya is the vertex of the parabola. Okay? But the measure of this line from here to here and from this point to this point are congruent, meaning kung halin dari pa kadto dari sa may green nga point is 3, so dari halin di pa kadto di is 3 amo na. And then we take another line, so meaning dari nga dang the same units but are the same ang ila distance, so meaning this line and these lines are congruent, meaning the same ang ila nga length. Okay, and another point, the same length, Okay, the same length and the same length. So if we're going to connect that together, so we can have a smooth curve and it goes no continue infinitely. So ma-extend lang na siya butangan ta sang araw, meaning infinite na siya. And if we're going to flip the line, no, there's a piyak. So by symmetry, we can get the other half. Makuha ta na siya by symmetry. So dire amo ni siya and it goes infinitely. So this is your parabola. So meaning if this is your F, this is your P, point P, and this is your point D, for example, or balis karon ta para maka suited gid dito sa because we say F is the focus, no? So balis karon ta. Let's say this is our F, point F, this point. This point, ini mga point ni, matry lang ta isa. This is our point P and this is our point D. Okay? If we're going to get the ratio, no, meaning from point D to point P over the point P, the line from point P to point F. So if that is equal to, in higher math, we denote that as the ratio of the two lines. And we write that as E. Okay? So we denote that as E. So if your E is equal to 1, then we have this parabola. Meaning, the same ang distance. Okay? Pag nag-the same ang distance, we have a parabola. But if you have if you get the ratio between these two lines and your E is what? Is greater than 1, meaning dako ang greater than 1. So meaning mas madako ni siya. Okay? Pag nagdako ni siya, if E is greater than 1, then you have ini siya parabola. If your E is equal to 1, you will generate a parabola. And then if your E is greater than 1, you can generate a hyper. So HYP meaning hyperbola. And then if your E is less than 1, you can generate a ellipse. So amo na ang ma-generate nimo ellipse if your E is less than 1 ellipse. Nan. Okay, so ma-focus kita since that equal gani if we're going to get the ratio of DP and PF. So since nga equal sila, so meaning kung 3 ni D, 3 man ni D, so 3 divided by 3 is 1, so E is equal to 1, we have parabola. So we are going to focus on parabola. So based on this definition and using the distance formula, we can get a formula for the equation of parabola with a vertex at the origin that opens to the right or left. So if we have this equation, no, if we're going to derive those points, we will come up with this equation. So y squared is equal to 4a x, where your a here is the distance from the vertex to focus, or opposite way for sa opposite way is the directrix. And okay, take note of this, no? I want you to take note of this. If the coefficient of x is positive, the parabola opens to the right. So here, this is your x. Okay, the coefficient is 4a. Okay, since that it is positive, or this is positive, so automatically your parabola opens to the right. Diri siya nagabuka sa tuo. Okay, and then if the coefficient on x is negative, the parabola opens to the left. So this is the example. Let's say your equation is y squared is equal to negative 4ax. So if that is your equation, that is the form of your equation, then it opens to the left. Amo ni ang kortisang graph. But if your equation here or the coefficient of x is positive, so amo ni ang imo nga graph. It opens to the right. Okay. Okay. So and no, if we're going to have the graph, no, so all we have to do is to plot first, no. By the way, this equation is only used, no, if your vertex is at the origin. Take note of this. Muna nga equation ang gina-follow ta if your vertex or if the vertex of the parabola is at the origin. So by the way, this is the vertex of the origin. Ini siya. Okay, this is the focus and this line is the directrix. Your A, ining A dire is the distance from the vertex to the focus. So from here, anong measure di? So your A here is 1, 2, 3 kay 3 units as well as here 3 units man. And okay, so the equation of the parabola show is, so if you're going to follow, y squared copy lang for, since that we're going our A here from the vertex going to the focus is 3 units, so 1 2 3, and from the focus or from the vertex going to the point, no, or going to the directrix is 1 2 3 units, meaning the value of A is equal to 3. So your A here is equal to 3. So all we have to do is to bayluhan ta lang ni si A sang 3. That's why we have y squared, ari siya, y squared, panasong kabiyan ini. O, y squared are equals 4. Are siya. Your A is 3. That's why ginbayluan ta disang 3 because that is the distance of the vertex, no, from the focus. And copy x. So, and then you have to simplify. 4 times 3 is 12. So, 4 times 3 is 12 times x is 12x. Amo na nga may 12x ikaw diri sa punta. So, therefore, the parabola opens to the right, okay, because it is positive, okay, and that is true. And the vertex is 3 away from the focus because this is amuni. This is 3 units away from the focus. So I hope that you understand it. Ang pamangkot, ano sir ang final answer dira? Ano ang final answer? Your final answer is y squared or the final equation equals 12x. Okay, simplify mo ni siya. Kaya ari siya. So let us proceed. So for example, let us find the focus and the directrix of this parabola. So as you could see, no, the pag ang may square gani is y, it is either the graph will opens to the right or opens to the left. But here, the coefficient, no, of x is negative. So therefore, sa wala siya ma-open. So therefore, paamo niya nga opening, amo ni siya. So may idea na kita. We have this visualization nga our graph is opening to the left. Okay. And but no, and it patterns the form y squared is equal to negative 4ax. Okay. So therefore, to solve for a, this is our 4a. Negative 4a is equal to negative 16. So this is the 4a. Okay? Kaya amo nang luyos ang x. Ari aton x, ari na siya. And then ang 16 na amo na siya ang negative 4a. So all we have to do to solve for a, so we have negative 4a. We have negative 4a, just copy, ini, negative 4a, that is equal to 16 because this, the whole here is 16, okay? To solve for a, we divide both side by 4, okay? We divide by negative 4, eliminate, so ipakita ko lang kay para klaro. If we divide this by negative 4 and divide this by negative 4, may eliminate ning negative, so you have a. Negative divided by negative is positive. 16 divided by 4 is positive 4. So your A is positive 4. So ano ganin ng A? This is the distance of your vertex to the focus as well as the vertex to the directrix. So since that the coefficient is negative, ari siya, kay negative ang coefficient, so ari yung negative naton, this parabola opens to the left. So amo ni, pawala ang open. From the vertex, count 4 units in the negative direction to get the focus. Okay? So ini siya, the vertex is always at the origin. So basta amo ni nga mga formula, amo ni mga form. The vertex is always at the origin. So ari aton vertex. Okay, so and we draw a line or a graph nga amo ni that opens to the left because the coefficient of x is negative diri, so pawala ka kay kung positive dito ka sa tuuma open. And since that we solve for a is 4, so meaning from 0 ma-jump ka 4 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is here is located ang imo nga your focus. So that is a is equal to 4. So meaning from 0 your x is 1, 2, 3, 4. So your x is negative 4, your y kay da ka man lang ang point, meaning your y is 0. Kay y ka man nag-up, y ka man nag-down. So your y is 0. And the directrix or the directrix is a line located the same distance from the vertex in the other direction. So meaning, you have to, from this point, you're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here, ang ginapangayo naton sa directrix is equation, not points. Unlike in focus, ang ginatag naton is ordered pair because point ang ginapangayo. Okay? Here, in your directrix, ang what is being asked, no? If you are asked to give the directrix is the equation. So, how to answer that? So, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, kaya para the same distance. So, here, and then you draw a straight line or a vertical line. Nan. So, din siya nag-igo. Paigo mo siya sa 4. So, x is equal to 4. Amo na. Okay? X is equal to 4. That is the equation of your directrix. Kung diin siya nag-igo da sa x. Okay? For example, naigo siya da sa 5. So, x equals 5. Amo na ang imo nga equation. But since here, no, your directrix is from 0, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4, your x is 4. So, the equation is x is equal to 4. And if we're going to draw a vertical line nga maigo ang focus, so ang point na tawag sini, this is the latus rectum. Okay? The length. Okay? When I say latus rectum, the length of the latus, or here, this is the definition, by the way, Babo. We could make a line segment through the focus of the parabola parallel to the directrix with endpoints on the parabola. So this line is parallel to this, pero ang endpoints nila, so of course, may intersect na siya diri sa parabola. And this segment is called latus rectum. So the length of the latus rectum is 4a. Okay? 4a, pero may sina ang iyang length. So meaning, dito sa equation nga y is equal to negative 4ax, ini sila amo ni ang length sang latus rectum. Okay? Ang A amo na ya ang distance ang focus from the origin. So, ano dayon? This is very helpful information when graphing a parabola because we then know how wide is or the parabola is. So, data mabalaan kung ano kalapad ang imo nga parabola. Malapad bala ang parabola o hindi. So, meaning, kung mahaba ang imo nga latus rectum, okay, if your latus rectum is long, then the opening of your parabola becomes wider. But if the if the measure of your latus rectum is small or short, then your parabola becomes narrower. Okay? So here, your latus rectum is 4a. So let us now solve. In our equation, we have y squared is equal to negative 16x. So this is our 4a. Okay? Ini siya. So negative 4a is equal to negative 16. So what we're going to do is to what? the length of the latus rectum is 16. That is always positive. Okay, biska negative siya, because since that we are talking about the length, that is always positive. So, 16 siya, but you have to divide that by 2. Kaya equidistance niya from here to this point and here to this point. So, meaning, so it is 8 each way from the focus. So, from this, makount ka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so as you could see, align siya di sa 8. And then, down 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, negative 8. So, here, we have, this point is negative 4, positive 8, and negative 4, negative 8. Okay, so that's it. So, in grade 9 math, you are graph parabolas that open up or down. The only difference with the equation is the x and y are in different places. So, in your grade 9 math, no, so as I could remember, it was discussed to you and I am not the teacher. So, laban ng equation na ginahatag sa inyo, y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 3, mga muna example. So, from this equation, we can now visualize the graph of this equation. So, since that your x here is positive, so upward ni siya. Okay? So, meaning, kung si x gali ang may squared, up or down. Okay? Kung negative ni, down. But kung si y ang may squared, maybe your parabola opens to the right or opens to the left. Okay, so let us discuss this. So we have two sets of equation again, given that the vertex of your parabola is at the origin. So we have x squared. So here, this is the second case. Ang x naman ang may square, kagina si y. So x squared is equal to 4ay and x squared is equal to negative 4ay. So let's look at the steps to graph the parabola of x squared is equal to negative 4ay. Since that, what is the direction or what direction does this open? So since that the coefficient of y is negative, so therefore it opens downward. So downward siya. It is because the coefficient of y is negative. Okay? So sitting there. If the x is squared, it opens up or down depending on the sign of the coefficient. If the y is squared, so kung ang y tsaka kuno ang squared, it is opening or open right or left. But in this case, x is squared. So therefore, it is either open or opens upward or downward. But since that or the sign of your or the sign of the coefficient of x is negative, so I am sure that the graph opens downward. Okay, so it opens downward. So kay downward siya, we're going to make a Cartesian coordinate system. So muna siya. And then, we locate first the vertex of the parabola at the origin. And after that, no, we're going to solve for the what? For A. Okay? Kay napangita ti si A because A is the distance of your focus from the origin and the distance of your or no, sala. The distance of your vertex to focus and the distance of your uh, vertex to directrix. Okay. So, ma'am, talaan na lang ni ila ko na lang karon. Sige. Okay. So, we all know that our negative 4a is negative 4. 'Di ba? Amo mo lang ni siya ang negative 4, meaning amo na siya ang negative 4a. So, what is a? So negative 4 is equal to negative 4a. So the focus and that is equal to positive 1. The focus is A is way or 1 unit away from the vertex in the direction that opens or parabola opens. So, ang pamangkot, paano nakuha niyang A is equal to 1? So, mo naman ang pamangkot da. Kay dirigin shortcut lang. So, I am going to show you paano nakuha A is equal to 1. Okay. We're going to follow this equation. So, may y na kita, may y man siya. So, ang ari siya ang, meaning this negative 4a is negative 4. None. So, if we're going to equate that, negative 4a is equal to negative 4. So, to solve for a, we divide both sides of the equation by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4, so eliminate. So, you have a equals negative 4 divided by negative 4 is positive. 4 divided by 4 is, this is 4 ha? Okay, this is 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, meaning, ang imo A, 1. Ano ganing A? A is the distance of your focus from the origin. Since that your equation here, may negative siya. So meaning, and this is your vertex, meaning, ma-downward ina siya. Downward ina siya. Okay? And amo ni ang common errors, ang ibang ginabutang nilang focus, yung 1 unit, mapababaw sila. So that is wrong. So we all know nga downward ang downward kay siyempre negative. So meaning from this point, ma-draw ka na nga daan sang negative or ma-assume na kita nga amo ni ang aton nga parabola or ang aton nga graph. And we always make sure nga ang focus mo is inside the parabola, not outside. Okay? Because kung diri naton siya butang sa babaw, outside the parabola na siya, that is not correct. Your focus is always inside the parabola. Okay? So here, we have, since A is 1, so meaning from the vertex or the origin, you have to move 1 unit. So, ano ang ordered pairs in ano location niya? So, meaning, your x is 0 and then your y is negative 1. Okay, so that is your focus. And after that, what is the length of the latus rectum? So, ang latus rectum, iguon niya ni ang imo focus. So, ano galing latus rectum? This is the latus rectum. Negative 4a is the latus rectum. But negative 4a is equal to negative 4. Okay? Negative 4a is the latus rectum. So, negative 4a is the latus rectum, and negative 4a is equal to negative 4. Okay? But when you say latus rectum, the length, it can never be negative. So, our answer is positive 4. Okay? Positive 4 siya. But, i-divide pa nato ni siya sa 2 kay siyempre duwa ka line, may line ka di. So, from here pakatuda and here pakatuda. So, dapat tungaon ta. So, ang latus rectum nga from here to here. So, i-divide ta sila sa 2. 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. So, that is your distance from the focus. Okay? That is the distance from the focus. Wait lang. So,